Toxic algae has been linked to ALS. Hi, it's your favorite dysfunctional scientist. If you are a person or have a person you care about or animal, I have some very important information for you. Algae, while always present in the environment, when it has these massive blooms, it can become quite dangerous. Not just red algae or green algae or brown unalive algae, but all of it. Algae blooms can also release toxic gases, which have been associated with neurological disorders that have affected animals, and more recently with ALS, potentially impacting people. This is likely because of a neurotoxin called BMAA that's created by blue-green algae, and this research group studied it in vervets. That's right, these poor adorable little monkeys. Researchers fed them BMAA and looked for biomarkers of ALS and found that yes indeed, this chemical produced by blue-green algae can cause it. In fact, when tracking people, the risk of ALS increases if you live near a body of water with cyanobacteria blooms. Now that all is kind of spooky. It just reinforces my fears of water because of brain-eating amoebas and flesh-eating bacteria. But if you want to reduce your acute exposure, which can lead to things like seizures and unalivement, if you come to a body of water and it is green, red, or brown, don't go in. Also, if you smell unalived fish or see them, also a sign not to go in. In another life, when I worked as a park ranger, I would hand out tickets because people would let their children or pets go in the toxic water during a bloom. I'd make a lap around the park, come back, and people would have their animals and children back in the water. I watched a dog have a seizure. Also, I can't believe I have to say this, but do not eat the pink snow. Or yellow snow, but mostly the pink one is dangerous.